Beneficial Ownership Information Reporting Requirements, otherwise known as BOI Reporting Requirements, are a new set of regulations that will require many corporations, limited liability companies, and other entities created in or registered to do business in the USA to report information about their beneficial owners. Beneficial owners are the individuals who ultimately own or control a company. The report must be filed with FinCEN, which is the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Before we continue going over BOI reporting requirements, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. The BOI reporting requirements will go into effect on January 1st, 2024. The following entities will be required to file a BOI report: corporations, limited liability companies, limited partnerships, business trusts, and certain other entities such as limited liability partnerships and statutory trusts. The BOI report must include the following information for each beneficial owner: name, date of birth, residential address, and a unique identifying number from an acceptable identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. The BOI report must be filed electronically with FinCEN. Now, there are some exemptions from the BOI reporting requirements. For example, entities that are publicly traded are not required to file a report. Small businesses should start planning now to comply with the BOI reporting requirements. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about the BOI reporting requirements. The BOI report must be filed within 15 days of the creation or registration of the entity. A BOI report must be updated within 30 days of any changes to the beneficial ownership information of the entity. And failure to comply with the BOI reporting requirements can result in civil penalties of up to $500,000. The BOI reporting requirements are a new and complex set of regulations that might seem frustrating for many business owners. However, they are an important tool for combating financial crimes such as money laundering and funding terrorism. The key is for your small business to take the right steps by understanding the requirements and complying with them quicker. If you need more information about the requirements or help filing BOI information with the government, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion about these requirements? Does it make sense to you why the government has new reporting policies in place? Drop a comment below and tell us what you think. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.